What's up, guys? Antoine Victor back here with Tech Taste Daily. I realized it's been a while since I published anything on Tech Taste Daily, but there's a lot of stuff going on that I just assume that everybody knows about. But camping last weekend, I was talking to some of my buddies, and it turns out that a lot of people don't know about this stuff that's going on. So let's dig into it. Just one thing I'm going to go over real quick, real short video here, but Tesla is killing the charging game. So I don't know if you guys heard about this recently, but even Hilton Hotels has announced recently that they are going to install 20,000 electric vehicle charging stations across the US, Canada, and Mexico beginning next year. So, there's already chargers at the Hilton here and there, not all of them, but it's pretty consistent. If you're staying at the Hilton in San Francisco, the Hilton down in Universal City in California by Universal Studios, and several Hiltons between Seattle and there. I live in Seattle, spend a lot of time in San Francisco, but there's chargers at most of the Hiltons that I stay at. But that's about to go even further. Check this out. So if you're looking at the Hilton website or CNBC, you can see that they say Tesla is to install charging stations at 2,000 Hiltons in North America. Tesla plans to install 20,000 electric vehicle charging stations across 2,000 Hilton properties in the U.S. So that means pretty much every Hilton that you go to now is automatically going to have a level 2 charger, the C to DC chargers that you have in your garage at home, pretty much the same one that I have downstairs in the garage, but these chargers charge at about to 40 miles per hour, depending on the vehicle that you have. In my 2016 Model S, I get about 34 miles per hour in the garage. So that means as you pull into Hilton somewhere and you want to charge your car overnight, your car will go from 0 to 100% in about 5 hours at the most. So that means you get a good night's sleep. You wake up in the morning. You didn't have to go to a gas station. You didn't have to go to a charger. You just pull into the hotel. You charge your car up. And most likely, at the most, if you have the average of about 300 miles of range on these Tesla vehicles now, you're probably going to drive most of the day the next day if you're on a road trip before you have to stop and charge at a supercharger for about 15 minutes to 40 minutes at the most, even if you're almost all the way to zero. And I would venture to say, after driving 300 miles, you're probably going to want to stop and use the bathroom, maybe grab a snack, and while you park your car at the Tesla supercharger, you walk over to the diner, you walk over to the McDonald's, you get a bite to eat, you use the bathroom, and boom, back on the road again for another 300 miles. So 5 hours of driving, 15-minute stop, another 5 hours of driving. That's a 10-hour day driving if you're on a road trip. No problem whatsoever. You check into a new Hilton, you charge your car overnight, you wake up in the morning ready with another 5 hours of driving. Tesla winning the charging game. Not to mention the stock went up $25 today. So definitely something to keep an eye on. Tesla doing the damn thing and partnering with Hilton. I'm Antoine Victor. This has been Tech Taste Daily. I'll see you tomorrow.